Here's some Coppélia Ballet trivia. Subscribe. Who is the composer of Coppélia? Is it A. Igor Stravinsky, B. Jules Massenet, C. Léo Delibes, or D. Pyotr Tchaikovsky? The correct answer is C. Léo Delibes. Which city hosted the premiere of Coppélia? Is it A. Vienna, B. London, C. Paris, or D. Berlin? The correct answer is C. Paris. Who choreographed the original Coppélia? Is it A. Arthur St. Leon, B. Frederick Ashton, C. George Balanchine, or D. Marius Petipa? The correct answer is A. Arthur St. Leon. What type of ballet is Coppélia? Is it A. contemporary ballet, B. dramatic ballet, C. comic ballet, or D. romantic ballet? The correct answer is C. comic ballet. Which character is a life-size doll? Is it A. Big Barda, B. My Little Pony, C. G.I. Joe, or D. Coppélia? The correct answer is D. Coppélia. Who is the male lead in Coppélia? Is it A. Franz, B. Swanhilde, C. Albert, or D. Dr. Coppelius? The correct answer is A. Franz. What is the nationality of Léo Delibes? Is it A. French, B. Italian, C. Belgian, or D. Spanish? The correct answer is A. French. What is the significance of the doll Coppélia? Is it A. symbol of friendship, B. representation of fear, C. symbol of desire, or D. emblem of fame? The correct answer is C. symbol of desire. Which ballet company was known for premiering Coppélia? Is it A. Bolshoi Ballet, B. Royal Ballet, C. Paris Opera Ballet, or D. American Ballet Theatre? The correct answer is C. Paris Opera Ballet. What kind of instrument is prominent in Coppélia's score? Is it A. orchestra, B. cello, C. trumpet, or D. guitar? The correct answer is A. orchestra. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.